Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey, people, Kiara here from iDigi Affiliate. And today we're going to continue on our case study here with the all-in-one $25 business using my lead gen secrets. Okay, so this is the best system I've seen to make money in 2022, period. Like, it's crazy. But one person, you can make $120 recurring commissions. You get two people, you're making profit, right? It's just the best system, and you actually are buying things that are very, very effective and good for your brand, so to speak. So with the $25, you're buying a funnel builder. Now, ClickFunnels, if you don't know ClickFunnels, let's go to ClickFunnels real quick. Like, I just want to show you guys how much ClickFunnels is. Compare ClickFunnels right here. Where the price is at? Now you got a 14-day free trial here. How much is it? I'm not sure. I think it's $97 a month. I don't know that for sure though. Can't remember. Hold up. Give me a second. Let's find. I went to an ad. I shouldn't have went to an ad. I should have just went to the price. There we go. Now as you see, look, 90. Oh, it went down if you buy annual discount. It's $80 if you buy that cheap annual discount. You see how insane it is? In the platinum, if you wanna do, look at this. You can only do 20 funnels. Like, you're limited to how many people can see your funnel. This is ridiculous, right? So, and that's $80. So monthly plan, that's $97 a month. This is ridiculous. You get the same exact thing here on $25 a month. So that's what you're buying. Plus you get the best affiliate system in the world right now, in my opinion. 80% commissions on residual income is insane, guys. Y'all gotta get on this. All right. You get this page as well when you sign up and all the stuff. You get this page here kind of telling you about the business here. You get a bunch of pages, but I like this one. I'm just gonna show you guys it a little bit. You can build up. If you get a sale or two per week, you can end up with 100K in 12 months. A month. 100K a year in 12 months. That's crazy, right? Just get a sale or two every week. 100K in 12 months. That's all you gotta do to build up to 100K. And I'm pretty sure most of y'all right now are sitting there thinking, dude, I don't even need that much, right? Depending on where you live. Where I live, I don't need nowhere. I could take half of that and be fine. Where I live in a very cheap area. So, yeah, man, and just build up and just slowly build up, get this going, and just build this up, and it's just the cheapest way to build income I found, period. Like, I found some systems, and overall I think this is the best one that I found. I don't see nothing even close to this. 80% recurring. Look at this, 80% recurring for every sale generated for life. Meaning that every time they pay monthly, you get 80% of that. Every time they pay $125 monthly, you get 80% of that. $100. So you make $120 for every single person. And this is every month, guys. This ain't just $120 a sale. It's $120 every month a sale. Alright, so yeah. Anyway, man, let's just go ahead and that's my thumbnail. I already don't make the thumbnail. Sorry about that. I didn't mean to show you guys that. But anyway, let's keep it moving here. We're gonna sign into our My Lead Gen Secrets account here. Get that going here. Let's see what we're gonna do about I want to check and see how well they emailed it here. Did not do too well. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna come up with something ourselves. All right, so we're just gonna look on this page here. Let's see. I think I made one already. Hold up. I want to make sure I don't copy and paste the same email I made before. brand new. Okay. Instant $20 to $50 monthly commissions, 24 hours. Copy that. I'm gonna make an email out of this. I'm showing you guys how to make emails. They're very easy to do. You just boom, post that in. Right? Then you just boom, you do that. Get perfect time here, and you just, all you gotta do is just you paste this in here. Yeah, the system. You paste it in here like this. Oh man. Stuff here. Let's not put it on hidden 3, put it on normal. Hit the front at like 14. I'm trying to make sure I got it labeled right so we can step into business. Then we put a space right there. Let's copy it. Copy. And let's delete it. I don't know what this is. I'm gonna be honest. Kind of confused by these. All right, they're gone. It's still there. What is this? We're gonna ignore it, guys. I don't know what that is. But anyway, let's keep it moving here. That's a solid email right there already. But we're gonna put just a little bit more here. Right here. Copy. We get these 3 right. And then we go here. Hold up. Remove the IB. Paste. We're just gonna ignore whatever that is. I don't know what that is, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Right, so alright, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn this to front. This front is gonna turn it down to 14. We're gonna put a bulletin on it. What that looks like. Get started today. Something like that. Let's take these out then. I know something here's happening. Okay. So that looks pretty solid here. That looks, I like how that looks. I'm gonna stick to that. All right, yeah, this looks solid enough here. So we're just gonna get our link here. Boom. Just get your link. Like I say, they give you the link once you be in the system. I'm sorry that it took me so long to figure that out. I was just looking at it myself, looking at what's going on. But anyway, yeah, that'll work there. I don't know what these red lines are, I'm gonna be honest. But let's see if it looks good. It looks pretty good, so we're gonna stick with it. Keep it short. Keep these emails short. That's one thing I've learned. Keep them short. You don't want people to just kind of go off and do something else while reading your email. So keep it super short. If it's boring to you, it's boring to them. Think about it like that. All right, so we're gonna go to our next account here. We're gonna do the same thing, basically, that we did before. All right, so we're gonna hit perfect timing here. What perfect timing does, send the email around the time people usually check their emails. So whoever you're sending it to, check their emails around 8 o'clock. Then they'll send the email around 8 o'clock. And depending on the person. So, you know, somebody on your list check at 8 o'clock, somebody else on your list check around 10. Then they'll send the emails based on that person's preference of checking their email. So it ends up on the top of the list, right? And ends up on the top of the list of emails, and a much better chance of them checking it out. Is what I was trying to say. I'm very sorry about that. All right, so we're gonna go to our next account here. We're doing all 3 accounts like before. I've been thinking about getting more accounts. These are very profitable for me. I've been thinking about maybe getting more accounts. Maybe I should show different ways to make money. I don't know. I just know this is the easiest way, like using My Lead Gen secrets. It's the easiest. You don't really gotta do much. As I've shown, you know, it's all you gotta do. It's the easiest way. Go ahead and copy paste this. Well, copy. And we paste it in here. There you go. And that's how easy it is to make an email, guys. It's a very interesting looking email. It's pretty short. It just gives you a little bit of what's going on. You can read this real quick. I think that's the most important part, being able to read something real quick. Make the best emails. But sometimes it's best to just stick to the emails that they give you, but they work really well. That's the reason why they got them up there, because they want to get sales too, you know. So they're getting copywriters to write. But when it comes to My Lead Gen secrets here, I find that much shorter emails work a lot better. All right, so that's all there is to it, guys. All the links are in the description, as always, you know. And like I stated before, this system is kind of ridiculous. Very easy to build up. You get a couple of sales. I mean, you only need 5 sales and you're making $1,200 a month. That's enough for a lot of people in very low income areas. Like my area, $12,000 a month. You can live in a not the greatest apartment, but you can live in a decent apartment at $12,000 a month, guys. Where I live, and you can live in. I'm saying you can live in that apartment, pay your bills, and possibly pay for food. Like, you're good. You won't have no money left, but you're good. And some people, that ain't even enough to cover their rent. So, but you get 10 people in, that's $1,000 a month. There is no system even close to that, guys. No other system. All right, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell for any more stories like this. And I wish you guys the best of luck. And if you want to follow along with me, all the links are in the description. You can use either one of them. They're of course, they're affiliate links, so I'll make money off of you guys. But hopefully this help you guys try to build an income for yourselves and get started. Because the hardest part of doing this is starting and realizing it can be a lengthy battle. It could take a while. I remember when I first started trying to make money on a computer here online, it took me I spent a lot of money, and it took me maybe, I want to say around 7-8 months before I started actually making money. And then it took much longer to build up an income, long enough to live off of what I make. So yeah, guys, you gotta build up to it. I'm trying to give y'all like an easy way to build it. And that's the thing, like getting sales, I get sales all the time. Like, I was getting sales all the time after a while. I knew how to get sales, but I couldn't keep it consistent. You know what I mean? I couldn't keep it consistent sales to live off of. And this is a way to kind of do that. Now, if I had been promoting this as hard as I was promoting other stuff back in the day, I'd probably be like making so much money right now. That's why I'm trying to show you guys this system. This system's insane. You'll get people, once you start getting people in it, you're gonna be like, oh my god, I'm so glad. And you only need 2 people to be profitable. So as long as you got 2 people in there, you making money. So that's all it takes. The links in the description. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I know I just said it, I'm sorry. I'm doing run-ons. And leave some comments, guys. Leave some comments. Tell me about your day and all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.